Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can undo any changes that you have made in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Firstly, the easiest way in which you can undo something is just to use the undo function, and I'm going to be showing you guys by actually making separate clips out of these videos, and I'll just delete the middle one and delete the space in between them as well. And as you can see, now that's been edited and it just cuts in the middle of the video. Now I could go Control Z or Control Z depending on your region, and you can do that, or you can go to edit at the very top and click undo. And as you can see, Control Z is undo, redo is Control Shift Z, and you can use whichever you want. It really doesn't matter. And as you can see now, all changes have been undone. Now, you also have another option, which is very, very useful for some smaller edits. For example, I'll go to the color correction screen, and I'll go, for example, to curves, and I'll go, for example, hue versus saturation, pick what I want to change, for example, this brown color, and I am going to edit it a bit. Now, as you can see, nothing is changing for some reason. Let me just undo those changes as well, but I'll select whichever part I want, for example, this one, and I'll change all of these values. It might change the colors, it might not. As you can see, it is changing the colors quite a bit in the actual video, but now if I go Control Z, it'll just change the latest thing that I have done. Now, if you don't want to just keep on spamming Control Z, what you can do in a couple of tabs in Davinci Resolve is search for this plus with a rotating arrow, and once you hit that, as you can see, it has reset all. It'll just reset it to its original settings, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.